My name is Alice and I'm a first year student midwife studying at Bangor University. I chose to study at Bangor for a number of reasons, but the main one being that it is a gold standard for outstanding teaching, and I thought that was really important to know that the information I was being taught is of a great standard and that everything I was learning had evidence-based knowledge and I could carry that forward to my future. The best thing about the course for me is being able to meet so many women and their families and being able to support and empower them during their pregnancy and postnatally. I think it's an honour to be so welcomed by the women, and as a student you want to feel comfortable in your environment, and I always have done. I've really enjoyed all the experiences that I've had, and being able to put everything that I've been taught into practice really makes you feel confident as a student. It's amazing to study on a course which is UNICEF baby friendly accredited, because you know that everything you're being taught is of a very high standard and that it's all accredited, so you can put that into practice, and as a future midwife you know that you have the evidence there to help with public health, and you can better support women with breastfeeding and bonding because you have such a high standard of education that you know you can put forward more to women and you can help them more with the evidence that you've got. So I have experiences antenatally and postnatally with women who have chosen to birth at home, and I think that it's amazing that as a student I'm able to support women to do that, and my mentors have all been very supportive, and to see a woman proud and not afraid of her choice is incredible, and the empowerment that it brings and the beauty that it brings is unspeakable. I actually have a quote that says, "If women lose the right to say where and how they birth their children, then they will have lost something that's as dear to them to life as breathing." I think it's really important to support women with their choices, and to make women feel listened to is really important as well. I think understanding that fathers and birth partners in general during antenatal and postnatal periods is really important, because they are the women's biggest support system other than the midwife. So involving fathers and birth partners in antenatal classes and making them feel involved at appointments is a big deal for them and for women, because they just want to feel supported in every aspect, and that's your role as a midwife. Optimising childbirth for me is allowing women to feel empowered and supported in their decisions, and allow them to feel listened to and that they're not on their own, because it can be a scary time for some women, so making them feel comfortable and reassured is key. And when it comes to their choices, as long as you've got your evidence-based knowledge and your support, it builds a therapeutic relationship between yourself and the woman, and you just want what's best for them and their baby and their families.